Hello, my friends. I received a couple of items as a present from my brother's son, which replaced all his tools with cordless, and then he donated all this for me. So I just want to show you quickly what it all is, and then we can, at the next video, discuss every one. Here is about 3 drills like the Black & Decker that you see here, but the rest is Ryobi's and Bosch, and as well as an angle grinder here, and there's a orbital sander and heat gun. There's a Ryobi heat gun inside. So it's more or less 6 items inside. Which I'm very, very excited for, but we will look at that in a video to come. And then what I also like, well, I like everything, but this is a very great and nice tool. It's a Bosch, but I want to show to you. I think this is the top side. This is heavy duty stuff, guys. This is a Bosch, look at the thick owner's manual. This is a Bosch professional drill, hammer drill of course, and with a 13mm chuck, which I need to open it and clean it up and so on, because the drill will slip from time to time. So that needs a clean up and so on. But you will see, there's one have forward, reverse, slow and high and impact, everything. So this is a serious machine, guys, very, very serious. But we will look at it in detail. Let's look at the next item. Okay, this is now top side down, but it's a Ryobi cordless diverse drill. I have it on charge now. Okay, so this is the drill. I've got its smaller brother, but this is the big one. And the drill is currently on charge, of the battery. This is the one battery, the other one is here. Just there. Okay, and the next item is something that I never owned, and I'm very excited for this because I need something like this a long time and many times. Let me show you what it is. It is the Renovator. This is one of these items that took one of these blades in front. I need to check it out. I never used one, but it will fit there, and then it vibrates with a very high frequency, and you can cut anything. I'm not sure what materials. I will just still check that out. But it will not cut your finger, but it will cut through wood, for instance. And it seems if it was not used much, if you can see how clean it is. So I'm very, very, very excited for this machine. There's some more blades and Allen key, and not sure what this is. I'll find out as we go on. Okay, so I'm very, very excited for this one. Okay, and now for the last item. And this is this bench drill with a 13mm chuck as well. And it's a Ryobi 5-speed. An on-off switch. So I will clean it up nice and give that oil and give it a sand down. So let's see. Very nice, very, very nice. It is more or less the brother, or more or less the same as this one, but this is only a frag ram. I'm not sure if it is imported one or South African made, but I used it and I bought it new many years ago. But I'm not a metal full-time metal worker, so it's only for household. So it looks bad, but it doesn't do a lot of work in its life. But what happened is the switch pack up, so I need to put in a new switch for this, and it once get a new fan belt, but it's more or less the same, and this is only 10 millimeter. So I like this one more, this Ryobi. I think it's a little bit more bulky, and this just a better drill. Okay, my friends, with this set, we will go into all that items in the short future, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.